Script Skynet here. How you doing? Love you. Let's take a look at some of the things I've been looking at, looking into, trying to get a better understanding of what's going on with the DigiByte charts. All right. So we have the 50, okay, which is the green. We have the 100, which is the blue. And then we have our 200 EMA. So these give you an edge on which way DigiByte is going to go. Right now, this is the 2 hour right here. And right now, the 200 is above the price action candles. So that's we're under that. That's kind of bearish. But what we have here is the candles breaking through the 50 and then breaking through the 100. And now we're above the 100 and the 50 is moving up. So once we cross that, then these candles will follow the 50 upwards on top of the green 50 line to cross the 200. And when that happens, we'll probably, let's see what the MACD says. The MACD, well, we're not going to see it here, but it probably is going to tick up and go through, but this is not the time frame I want to see the MACD on. So hold on. So when that happens, it might be like in four days, we should be able to get close to this 200 average line and get above it. Now, we could stick around it for a while and just go sideways. Now, let's go to another chart. I want to see here. And I'll show you what I was talking about. Okay. No, that's the same one. Let's get off that one. I just picked the other one. All right, here we go. All right, so this is DigiByte on the daily, okay? So we have the MACD down here, and we have, give or take, 4 more days. If we still trend up like this, if we still kind of do this thing right here, and these red on the histogram tick this way, and we finally get a blue histogram right about here, that's 4 days. And then we'll start climbing up on the MACD. And then we'll make a new, a relative higher high down here. We need volume to do it, but so on the daily, we just need to be up here. Okay, it's not, we're right there. So let's see if tonight, tomorrow, the next day we'll get above here. But on the, let's do the 2 hour chart, we're not quite there, right? So we got to get above 6.5 cents, 6.48. Okay, so we need to be up here, all right, to get a higher high. Now it could take 4 days. Okay, so, but if we get rejected on this, it's okay, because then we have to just test this for support again at 5.75 of a cent. So it's okay. We're in this channel right here. So I'm thinking 4 more days we'll be up here above almost 6.5 cents. So if we get 6.5 cents, that'd be great for 5 days. So that's where we're at with that. We did actually, because I didn't make a video, we did break this, guys. I like on one of my last videos, I think I went from here and down, something like that. Make sure you guys can see that. Yeah. Okay. And so, and we broke through it. And remember when we drew this out, and we were like, "That's a little bull flag," you know, just flapping in the wind. G Slick said. So, and we did, and we made a higher high from the previous high, and we've been just fighting this level, you know. That's weird. There's a gap. That's strange. I wouldn't expect that, but. And so now we're doing this. This is why I said maybe 4 days. Maybe we stay on that trend, right? So that'd be cool. We got some more volume here on the 2 hour. So we are climbing. We just need to we just need to beat this high. And then we can focus up here. Now Bitcoin's already up here. So for some reason, DigiByte's lagging. Over here, DigiByte was first to do all this before Bitcoin did. It's funny. Now it just flipped. But I think DigiByte will get up here eventually. So Bitcoin's right here. So we'll see what happens. All right. Now I'm going to remove this. Now I wanted to see a long term here. Like, what is this rise that we had? What are we looking at here? Basically, DigiByte is going to do exactly what Bitcoin is going to do, okay? That's basically what it's shaping out to be. Until DigiByte gets that moving away from Bitcoin and starts making its own prices, its own gains. So I'm going to let's see, go to the daily, okay? Now, remember this? When we were down like under half a penny, we rose up and went all the way up here, you know, pretty much to 2.5 cents, and then we rose up, you know, almost 4 cents. Okay, so remember that. Well, I'm gonna make this right here mimic this. So we're gonna try that. Okay, so I'm not gonna cut out this chart and move it over here. That's not what I'm going to do. I'm going to measure, okay? I'm going to measure this. How many days? Actually, I'm going to measure the gains. So from this bottom, okay, to the second top, okay, that was 12 and a half, 1,264%, okay? Right there, you see it from the breakout down here when it started turning around all the way up. So about 12,000% move. Okay. So, but let's measure it from the first section here. We moved up. Like, actually, I forgot that part, but it was like, let me get that whole part. Okay, that's not working out. Hold on. Let's get this right. So about 1,000%, guys, for the first run up. So this next one, the big one over here, is 400%. Okay. So this was like 1,000. This is 400. Over here, let's see, it broke. It kind of, let's go from this low up here. That was another 196%. So not quite as big as this, but definitely significant afterwards, right? I mean, it went basically from, you know, 0.0017 all the way up to, let's just go all the way up, you know, almost 4 cents. So that was a huge gainer. We popped and we consolidated sideways and then finally broke out to new levels or new recent levels. Okay. So I think that's what's going to go on here if DigiByte doesn't just blow up. Okay. Because I'm expecting, look at how bigger these candles are compared to these candles. Roughly the same size, but this is closer to where we're at. And this is history. So we can zoom in on history and probably get the same kind of measurement moves. But see how we did this? We moved up, we went down, we moved up, we went down, we moved up, and then we broke out. Okay, so we moved up, we moved down, we moved up. We might move down again and then go up and then come out and break out. That might not happen. It might happen faster. We might get up here before we know it. Okay, whatever Bitcoin does, that's what DigiByte's going to do, guys. So as long as people are buying DigiByte. Now, so this was our bigger move, okay? Let's see how long it took. So from over this top to the next top, it was roughly 104 days. So from this top and 104 days is right there. Okay, so it might take us 104 days or less, right? Relatively speaking, to see this play out for DigiByte to break, or it could be faster than that, but relatively within 104 days. That's 2.5 months. Okay, just under 3 months. Okay, so that's looking good too. Okay, and the way the MACD was showing us right here, the way the MACD is showing here, it might take like, you know, about a month or two to even start making moves again. Okay, like serious moves again. All right, but that's okay. This is accumulation phase. We can accumulate as much as we can. So yeah, so within 104 days, we're going to see DigiByte break out, do its thing. Now, where is it going to go? So this is kind of interesting too. Let's go. Let's pull out the fib. I'm going to break it down here. Okay. Oh, wrong way. Hold up. Move. From this high down. Okay, there we go. Technically, it should be down here, guys. Right here. Okay. All right, so that's where we're at with the fib. And this is where we start seeing big price movements for DigiByte, right? It got rejected here at the 0.23, and it fought sideways about 104 days before we got to the top of this 0.38. And then we did it again, okay? And so we had like it's kind of a ducking head and shoulders reversal, but some would say this is a cup and handle. So that might be true too. And then, well, anyway, we broke out. We finally reached here and broke out from the recent high, right? Then we had exuberant price action. But this is a scale for this year, okay? This is what DigiByte's looking at to conquer. So I got all these in here, these targets for DigiByte. Let me move this over. Okay, so roughly right here, right there. All right. So here's DigiByte, right? So within 104 days, we're going to have to reach the previous high and break through it, okay? And when we do that, we're going to make big moves, okay? That's just the way it's going to be, all right? Just like back here. We did big moves over here. So let me focus a little bit. See how big these moves are? Boom, 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 okay? We fell big too, but that's okay. We fell about half the size. So this could be like a long flag, and then we break out again from the flagpole, okay? And that's how we would get this double move or the single and a half move and then do it again. Within 104 days, guys, I mean, like this is coming right around the corner. And the only way I'd see this not working is if no one's buying it, you know, something horrific happens to DigiByte somehow, which would never happen, or Bitcoin or cryptocurrency as a whole, right? So what's the highest part of the scale? It's 41 cents. Okay, 41 cents. So DigiByte's recent all-time high, guys, shoot, man, it's 14 cents. Okay, right here. We're right there. I mean, let's measure that. So from where we are now to 14 cents. Shoot, I can't nail it right there. Okay, let's just say there. That's only a 131% gain, guys. 131. DigiByte does that all the time. Okay, I mean, look at that. That was 1,000. This is 190 or something. This was 400. Okay, or 300, whatever it was. I mean, this ain't nothing for DigiByte. 130% to the upside. That ain't nothing, guys. I hope you guys are excited. Because I sure am excited. This is gonna be epic. I don't care who you are. The end of the year, guys. I mean, this isn't so. Maybe 104 days. Let's measure this out. 104 days from this high right here. Hold on. I guess I didn't make it big enough. Hold on. Sorry, guys. I'm kind of new to these charts. So 104 days. Is June 21st. I'm sure DigiByte's going to be making some moves before then, right? So June 21st, in between anywhere from June 21st, 104 days, DigiByte's going to be making some moves. Right there. So somewhere within here, guys. And these measured moves right here, yeah. Even if it got half this, guys, which is 90%. Ninety percent. Oh wait, no, I'm sorry, half of that, right? Did I say that right? Hold on. Yeah, 90%. So if it got 90% from where it's at from this low, this recent low. Dang, man, I'm not doing this right. Hold on. So let's just do another 300. That makes sense. All right. No, I can't. What would that be? Hold on. Let's just measure from here down. That's less percentage. Let's just make a bull flag real quick. So relatively like right there. Okay. What is that? 109%. So so 109% from like wherever it breaks out, right? Let's just say April. Just say April 21st. 109% would be 16 cents or something like that, right? Definitely it would hit our all-time high, guys. And then, you know what that means? Then you have price discovery. I mean, price discovery. So from 16 cents, right? We might go sideways for another month or two over here, right? But what's the over exuberant moonshot? Just from this scale alone, from 16 cents up here, let's see what that measure move is. Because let's just face it, just as everybody's saying Cardano is a better Ethereum, Bitcoin is a sorry version of DigiByte. Okay? Let's just get real here. So from 16 cents, just to this measured move is 154%. That's it. So two of these hundreds would get us to 41 cents. So that's the next moves aren't even all that big. Not in percentage anyway. So from here, there. From this breakout would be 367%. Don't you think if DigiByte's a better Bitcoin, just like Cardano's a better Ethereum, you think after it breaks, it's going, guys. It's gonna go. Okay. It could get this speculation now, but this is the right scale right here to use, right? But if you did this scale from the clear breakout that we had recently, would be right here. Okay. That's what it would be right there. So you're looking at 37 cents. Okay. But if it runs all the way up here, guys, within this bull cycle, and we have 5 months to go before the end of the year, or even half that, we're going to 70 cents to $1, guys. It just makes sense. So DigiByte would have to hit from that current area. That's 500 or 5,500%. I don't know what that is. I don't know what kind of X that is. That's just from where we broke out for now. And we already reached, we already took out 300%. So that's a lot, guys. That could be it, man. I mean, come on. I mean, if Cardano can make whatever go on, and say it's a better Ethereum, then obviously DigiByte is clearly the better option than Bitcoin. I mean, just look at all the stuff that it solved. And some more. So, yeah, that's all I got for you guys. On the daily, it looks like it's gonna take like 104 days to break out or less. If this thing starts ticking up faster, we start moving faster, and it starts going, because this is the daily. Start going faster. Like in 4 days, we can start ticking up again with some heavy volume, because no one wants to miss this train, man. This train's gonna go. Even if it's 30 cents, guys, or back to 14 all-time high, and then it gets rejected for some stupid reason. That's a lot of gains, guys. So, anyway, because of this high momentum here on this MACD, it's already curling up. Now, I haven't seen that yet for DigiByte, not on this chart. Actually, yeah, hold on. Right here, kind of. But it wasn't that high. Look how high this is. So, this could make a little bubble, make another lower high, and then come down a little bit, and then freaking moon. Okay? Hope you guys can see that. Boom. There's your little flag in the wind. Boom. Let's see what you guys have to say. All right. Deleted. I'm just saying, what's up to this guy? What's up? What's up, Ron? You're the one that wanted this. I'm here for you. End of the beggar, good day. Well, good evening. Oh, Dave, what's up, Dave? Blind Dave. He's listening. You working hard, bro? Hi, Dave. Yep. Hi, Ron. Hold your digis tight, people. Yeah, exactly. Dogzilla. Dogzilla. Yeah, G-Slick. What's up, man? What's going on? I hope I brought some quality content. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I know you guys are sick of that. This is entertainment, guys, and everything I say, take with a grain of salt. All right? Don't take it gospel, other than if it is the gospel, okay? Like the gospel of Jesus Christ, who died for our sins. He who knew no sin died for our sins, became sin for us, that we might have eternal life through Christ Jesus our Lord. That's the gospel. Take that for truth, but take my words like a grain of salt, because I'm not a professional, guys. But we are in a bull market, and there's just no other way for DigiByte right now. Not all the good news and the protocols and the upgrades and the stuff that hasn't came out yet, like DigiAsset X, things that are in the works, like opening up a Digi wallet, Libertas style, interacting through encrypted messages. Guys, that's going to be big. That's going to be big. What's up, G Slick? Ronnie says dollar this year. Yeah, could be. I mean, like I said, it's like That's the exuberant price, right? That's if everybody realizes that DigiByte is a better Bitcoin, just like everybody realizes that Cardano could be a better Ethereum, right? So I guess there's things in the works for Cardano that Dan from Crypto Capital Venture has pointed out over and over and over about Cardano through the roadmap and all that. But like with DigiByte, we already have a working blockchain. The only thing that I believe that we're missing is taking a little bit more time, but it's going to be a time coming, guys, where DigiByte is known. Okay, there's none of this. What's DigiByte? Well, can I just buy Bitcoin for that? No, can't. You can't buy Bitcoin to do what DigiByte does. There's an error there. Like, error. Y'all need more DigiByte. That's right. We need to keep stacking. Super fast money, light speed, and awesome security. That's it. Yeah. I mean, it's just like this. How long is Bitcoin going to tout? We're number one. We're number one. I'm talking about the maximalists out there. It's not going to be number one for all. You can see how fast Doge crept up on Bitcoin's tails, right? The meme coin. And guys, if a meme coin can do that, then any cryptocurrency can surpass Bitcoin in dominance. Recent spikes in volume. What do you mean? What do you mean, Dave? They're huge. I mean, 1,400%, even 190%. These are small things for DigiByte, man. And look what DigiByte's doing. I mean, all we need to do, I mean, if we keep seeing 400, 500, 1,000, that's all I see when DigiByte moves. And even 100. So look at what DigiByte's doing here, guys. All we need to get to the 14 cent level, right, from where it's at now. Look at this. From where it's at right now, where we're at we're at 6 cents, guys. Ain't that amazing? Oh wait, are we at 6 cents? I don't know. We'll work it out. All right. 132%, guys. DigiByte does that when it moves, okay? So we're going to hit it this year. I don't know about you guys, but you should be excited. 132%. 14 cents, guys. And then we break out. Guys, come on, guys. Come on. We're right there, guys. Oh. For any fool that doesn't think this is going to happen, I mean, I feel sorry for them. I feel real sorry for them. Look at the move, guys. Look, I'm going to remove this. Remove this, okay? I mean, look at these moves, guys. Look at the move from here. Like I said, that was a 1,500% move. That was out of COVID. From this low, right? Well, this actually it's the low, yeah. And that's another 190%. This one right here from right here. Let's just say right here. It's actually right here from the breakout, but this was the lower of the low. Well, this move right here, what's it doing? Oh, yeah. Was 109%, guys. Right there. I mean, that's what we need, right? That little move right there is what we're going to need to hit all-time highs again. Oh, people don't even know. But like from this measured breakout move to here was roughly 300% to 300%. But I mean, from where we're at right now, which is almost 6 cents. Come on, guys, to all-time high, or just to get back to 14 cents. 134%. Roughly 130%. That just blows my mind, guys. That's coming. That's just coming. It's coming right around the corner, whether you believe it or not. Whether you believe in UFOs, this is it. It's happening. So what are you guys saying? Hello. I don't know how to pronounce that. Did we talk about this before? I have a feeling we talked about that before, man. I don't know how to pronounce that. Is that French? What is that? I don't know if it's French, but what is it? Amen. Yeah, amen. Dogzilla. John, nice to meet you, John. We lack a marketing department. Yeah, well, I mean, shoot, man. It's grassroots, man. Look where DigiByte look at what DigiByte has accomplished. Just us, the grassroots movement. That's quite a bit of accomplishment. I mean, just think about it. We're a bunch of nobodies. I mean, there's a bunch of smart people in DigiByte, a ton of smart, talented people. I mean, don't get me wrong. What I mean is, it's a grassroots problem-solving movement. Okay? So, this is where we're at. I mean, there's people that believe in this project, and they are using it. They're absolutely using it. And they don't have to say at the rooftops, we're using DigiByte. No, but once everybody finds out what kind of major businesses are using DigiByte, then you just can't hold it back. Why do you think it's so scary for the DigiByte Foundation to say, this is what we're doing for DigiByte? It's going to $1. It's going to $20. Because this is what's happening. They have to be careful. Because they're at the forefront of the foundation. And they talk about DigiByte, what DigiByte has accomplished. And yes, marketing is up to us. So we are the team. I don't know, John, if you know that or not, but the DigiByte awareness team, anybody that tells somebody about DigiByte or explains it in terms where other people can understand and just point them to a wallet and show them how it works is an awareness team member. I mean, just that's what it is. I mean, you're making DigiByte aware to another individual, peer-to-peer, showing them how the technology works. That's marketing. That's marketing. Now, if you try to go, I mean, you can go to businesses, but look how, I mean, most of these businesses in the city, there's no one working in those buildings because they're all, what? Zoom. I mean, they're really Zoom. It's not, quote, I'm not being sarcastic. They really are using Zoom. But we are the marketers. We are DigiByte. Funkadistic? Yeah, Funkadistic. Good value in DigiByte. Yes. Again, look at what Doge did. It was on the tail, biting at the heel of Bitcoin. Okay? It surpassed some great tech, man. And it's doing really great on the charts, which is absolutely crazy. Okay? But Cardano is being touted to be a better Ethereum, okay, because of gas fees and because it took so long that apparently this, Cardano is going to be better, okay. But look how long it's been since Bitcoin 2000 talked about in 2008, live 2010, and here we are. Okay, now DigiByte has been out for a while. Now Litecoin was created. Litecoin was created. You have Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, basically, and Dash. Basically, the one that really seems to be holding in there right behind in value is Litecoin, maybe Dash, okay, in the UTXO blockchains. But DigiByte is far superior in technology and is being showcased that way. Now, we will have people in the community that will step it up. We will have businesses that will glorify DigiByte. We will have that. Luke, how you doing, Luke? Really want DGB to get noticed more. Yeah, it's up to us. It's up to us. Can we all make Twitters and like and engage with DigiByte content if you haven't already? Yes. Yes. DigiByte is one of the biggest Twitter crypto communities on Twitter. So let's do it. Follow me, Luke. If you haven't already followed me on Twitter, Script Skynet, and then follow all my friends, the DigiByte community, and anybody else that Luke is talking about. Hey, let's do this. That's what we've been doing on Twitter. One of these days, we're gonna find somebody's skills, and they're gonna want to give all they can to help contribute to the DigiByte phenomenon, grass movements style. Because you got to remember, unless if someone like me takes my money and says, you know what, I'm gonna pay for this great person to make a commercial or market DigiByte for all of us, it's going to take my money, and that's the sacrifice to see everybody else and me prosper in this phenomenon with DigiByte. But that's the thing, and as a community, we have leaders in the DigiByte Foundation, the DigiByte Awareness Team, and the people that are helping in the support groups, the core members, are in the meantime doing it on their own, right? With their own money, with a little bit of raising funds to do whatever we need to do, are really hesitant about raising money because you don't want to overhype something and not deliver it, right? So that's one of the things that separates a grassroots movement from an ICO, okay? But yes, we all do our part in marketing. And hey, if you guys know a marketer that's really good, guys, like this guy from Pepsi or whatever who's marketing Pepsi, let's pay him $1 billion and get DigiByte out there. Blind Dave Crypto. Laugh out loud. Syntax error. File not found. And 01 on BTC. Wow. Dave, you're beyond me right now. You're like freaking up here, and I'm just Script Skynet way down here, right? Dang. Blind Dave. What's up, dude? I hope. Hey, everybody, wish Blind Dave happiness. Punkadistic. I feel like DigiByte should be at Cardano's levels. To be honest, I think DigiByte should be on XRP levels. To be honest, would be interesting to overlay current DGB to 2011 BTC under 0.10. Yeah, that'd be crazy. I'm going to try to learn how to do overlays. I'm going to start doing videos for like triangles, patterns for the community. Why not? I'm sure there's guys that do this for a living. They know what they're talking about. They make one little video, they got 1 million views on it. But I'm gonna try my heart out, guys. I want to learn. I want to get us in positions to accumulate more DigiByte at the right positions, right? Utility will win. That's right. Dogzilla, I'm starting to get more active on Twitter. Activated my YouTube handle on my profile. Awesome. Do you have any videos, Dogzilla? Oh, it's Turkish. It's Turkish, yes. As did speak before, come the F on Coinbase. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So that's another thing. Like, DigiByte's been a working blockchain ever since it has been born. Cardano is still going through the flesh work of their roadmap. And they're already potentially going to be on Coinbase. So should DigiByte. So I'm just going to say it like this. If DigiByte doesn't get on Coinbase, if DigiByte doesn't get on Kraken, if DigiByte doesn't get on Gemini, and all these other places, it doesn't matter, guys. We're going to do it big somewhere else. And we're going to be grander. And we're going to be better. Because we are better. And we are grander. Yeah. Been here since 2017. Awesome. Me too, man. We're at the same age of our crypto childhood. Funkadistic says, I think DigiByte seems on track for 40 cents in December. I hope it gets listed on Coinbase and more soon. Yeah, I mean, we are on 109 exchanges, guys. Blind Dave says, DigiByte fixed vulnerabilities. Exactly. And limitations. Been here. Oh, yeah. Did you say that again twice? Sat in Doge for 2 years. Exit at 2:15. Did you? Sorry to hear about that, man. And you're a Dogzilla. You should have known that. James Harrison. This is new to me. How fast will it grow over Bitcoin? What do you mean, like awareness? Like money? What are you talking about? DigiByte's got 21 billion. Bitcoin has 21 million. To tell you the truth, DigiByte already has a bigger grassroots movement than what Bitcoin had when it first had started, right out of the gate. But because there's so much crypto out there, cryptocurrencies and ICOs and just companies making their own crypto, banks becoming crypto banks, there's a lot of attention off DigiByte, and that's okay. Because DigiByte has Humble, DigiByte has Atom ID, which is pushing the envelope for mass password adoption, no password adoption, and many other things that are in the works, especially DigiByte's DigiAssets X exchange coming out, guys, and just so much more, making DigiByte being able to build upon DigiAsset layer. There's just so much stuff that is being talked about that over in time, if not just our brains and thoughts think about what DigiByte can do, but if we pull together as people are really serious about it, say, you know what, I'm all in. I'm not talking about buying DigiByte and waiting for it to go up. I'm talking about I'm all in for the community. I'm all in. Let's do it, right? Let's make this thing happen and not just talk about it, right? What's the old saying? Let's put the money where our mouth is. That I really want to give back. Somehow I want to contribute. Right now, it's the community. It's so important that I talk to you guys. It's so important. I don't know, man. These are like special moments. If DigiID gets used by military to identify crafts, it will definitely increase the price. I just think we have a winner, guys. I really do. Like, I don't care what blockchains are aiming for. I don't care what they're trying to do. Look at Bitcoin. It doesn't do anything except it's defied the financial system. That's big, by the way. I mean, Bitcoin's big. It's a big deal. It was a big deal back in 2010. Dogzilla says, Jared Tate is the crypto version of Moses. Let my people go. Let my people go. That's what Moses said to Pharaoh. You let my people go. And you know what Pharaoh did? He said no, and God sent 10 plagues to break Pharaoh. To break him. And he finally commanded the Israelites to go. Hand of the beggar. 2 years ago, I was new to crypto and looked at most crypto, seeing how many zeros was added to the price at Moon. Seeing DGB was one that had more than others. Yeah, more. Zeros. What do you mean? You mean like supply, or is that what you're talking about? Supply? James. What's going on, James? James Harrison. Money. Oh, this is new to me. How fast will it grow over Bitcoin? So, I mean, dude, like any cryptocurrency can grow over Bitcoin. You have a demand, a market, a supply. It's a market cap value, right? The overall market cap value is how you measure it. The technology has surpassed Bitcoin 5 times over. DigiByte's already a longer blockchain. It's faster. It confirms people's identity. It doesn't say passwords, but validates your authenticity, and it also has enough supply that everybody in the world can have 2.5 of it, instead of owning like fractions of Bitcoin, understood in satoshis. And it's got a great team that understood Bitcoin, okay, in DigiByte. And we're going to get more people in. It's just a matter of time. Right now, it's about trust. It's about trusting people to come in and do what they say they're going to do. Because it's all volunteers, right? It's all volunteer work. But there are things that actually take money. Like we got one of the best developers for iOS, and one of the best developers, software developers, Noah Seedman, for that wallet, Android, the DigiByte wallet on Android. Yoshi works for Apple. Dogzilla 215, yeah. All Doge proceeds allocated to DigiByte. Yeah. James, would it ever make it to the stock market? The funny thing is like this, like cryptocurrency is not made to go to the stock market, okay? But that's what they want. They want crypto regulated. They want crypto on the stock market, okay? So they can control it straight out. That's what they want. I mean, did the stock market save us? No. So why are we trying to go there? I'm being sarcastic because I can. But yeah, eventually all these things are going to go stock market, right? That'd be cool. I mean, if that's how crypto wins, we have to go to the stock market. Shoot, there might only be 20 that ever go, right? But even IPOs, they fail too. So I mean, cryptos are its own stock market. If you really think about it, cryptocurrency, the market cap, that is our stock market. I don't understand why we're trying to go over there. They were supposed to come over here, but now the world's got twisted where we have to go over there. Makes no sense. Remember decentralization. But if some go over there, some come over here, that's cool. Boom, I like this song better. Guys, we only need 134% to reach 14 cents. I mean, that's it. Did I say that before? We're at 6 cents now. Is there a digital stock market? I'm pretty sure. All right, guys. Do you have any questions for me? Anything you want to talk about? Do you guys believe in DigiByte? Does this stuff on the charts seem real? What's up, Agog? DigiByte on the daily needs to come up and get bought up within the 0.168. It just seems like our resistance, I don't know why we're getting resistance right here at this level, the 0.38. Maybe if we break through there, then we can go, and break the 0.68. Seems to be the most resistance up here. But for some reason, we're getting some right now. I don't know why we fell out here. Shouldn't have happened. This one's showing a better view of the pitchfork. We're cracking through the median line. So we're cracking. Let's get to cracking. So we need to break through this, make a higher high than that high right here. It's just like this. We went up, we usurped this lower part, right? So we're good. We're on top, right? And now we need to do the same thing right here, above there. Usurp that area too. Just stay above here. And then technically we can make a new one. Anything smaller would just be for like day trading. From this angle, it looks like we're staying on top of this and we'll be over here. Right up here. If we just keep climbing. Just keep going. $0.14, guys. Yeah, so soon I'm going to do the triangle patterns, all the patterns, guys. I'm going to put this to the test, to the pattern. So we're back above this trend line. Maybe now it just bounces around up here. There's our 14 cents right there. Just doesn't bounce. It's just gonna go boom. It's gonna go sideways. Boom. If not here on this trend line, then on that one. That's basically what we're seeing, right? So somewhere over here, possibly. It's not that hard to believe that we can be up here in no time. Could go up here, guys. Right here and break out. 14 cents. Right there. Could respect this trend line going up. We go like this, like Bitcoin. Should break out somewhere right around here. Somewhere up in here. We've got to break this blue line to make a lower high. We got to break this blue line, get in this area, and break out right up here. That way we have a nice breakout and then surpass this one up here. Or if we just reach this area right here and break out there, depending on what Bitcoin does. Because we have another one, we have another trend right there too, right? Right. Kind of lopsided, kind of. We got another one over here. Shoot. We got all kinds of channels. This one kind of narrows. Somewhere within these channels, man. We'll be breaking out in one of these channels. This one or that one, or even this one. There's nothing there. My guess would be I don't know why these have arrows. They got arrows on the end here to tell me which way it's going, right? So roughly this freaking hex pattern. If I was a betting man, it'd be somewhere right here. This square right here. I know it's not pretty. That what? Come on, give me some color here, guys. Give me some color right there. It's gonna be breaking out in that area right there. Why is it so dark? It's supposed to be yellow. Come on, yo. That's ugly too. Why is it so dark? I don't get it. That's creepier. Just gotta get up here above this blue. Break out into here. Come out. Alright, that's it. I'm done playing around, guys. $0.10, 14 cents sounds fair. Any tips for new version of RandomX? Yeah, it's going to be replacing one of the protocols, one of the algorithms. And as soon as they're done with it, as soon as all the testing is done, it's going to be a big thing. Mid-April. Yeah, estimated. Blind Dave. I wish happiness for you, brother. All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys liked my new intro. Let's watch it again one more time, okay? I like it. I love the intro. All right, guys. Script's got it out.